Hello, dear students. In the last lecture, as we have did types of website in the paper New Media, today lecture 5 I will be starting about with the video conferencing, webcasting and podcasting. So these are also the parts of the new media, and what are their functions? This is very important to understand. So video conferencing is a type of online meeting where two or more people engage in a live video, visual calls, and with a strong internet connection. First of all, the connection of internet is very must to start any sorts of video conferencing, because without it, it's not possible. So the participants can see, can hear, and can talk to each other in a real time, no matter where in the world they are. So video conferencing allows people at time and more locations to see and hear each other at the same time using computer and communications technology. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग एक ऐसा कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग है, ऐसी मीटिंग है जो वीडियो के थ्रू कनेक्ट की जाती है लोगों के बीच में, फिर कम्युनिकेशन होता है. सो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग अलाउ पीपल at two or more locations to see and hear each other at the same time using computers and communications technology. They exchange visual information with webcam, digital video cameras, you could say, that we use to generally share the documents through the web camera and webcams and the streaming videos. So audio content can be distributed via the computers or the telephone system. So here is the connection that how one can start up with the video conferencing, and all the features are being described. Today, video conferencing solutions comprises a central cloud hosted infrastructure routing calls between the personal device, client, and meeting room device endpoints. So even the best video conferencing equipment in the world still won't work properly if don't have capable of network. So before starting any sorts of video call or any WhatsApp call, any of the call that is being connected with the help of internet, so it is very important to have a proper connection, proper net, or a high use of quality video conferencing services. So first of all, we will be discussing about the high resolution webcam. What are the main techniques being used during the video conferencing? So high resolution webcam, the visibility of the subtleties like facial expressions and body language are crucial to quality video conferencing. So if details like these get lost, then meeting lack the authenticity of the real life face-to-face interaction. नेचुरल है, अगर हाई रेजोल्यूशन वेबकैम नहीं होता है तो जो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, आपके जो फेस के एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, जो बेसिकली वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग ऑर्गेनाइज की गई है वो किस पर्पज़ से, जिससे कि सामने वाले को आप देख सकें, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज को आप समझ सकें, उसके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन को आप पढ़ सकें. दैट इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ द वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. और इन डिटेल अगर ये सब चीज़ों की कहीं कमी है, ये सब चीज़ें आप नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, तो इट मीन्स यू आर लूजिंग द ऑथेंटिसिटी. जो एक परफेक्शन होना चाहिए वीडियो कॉल में, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग में, दैट शुड बी, so should have the details of that how it should be conducted, right? तो इन डिटेल इट कैन गेट लॉस्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. जो एक रियल पर्पस है वीडियो कॉल का वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. तो it is very must that for having the video call conferencing, face to face real life reflection should be there, interaction should be there. And for video conferencing services that only support from this much of resolution should be there, like 720 pixels, and the 720 pixels cameras in all that you have the benefit from. So life size support 4K videos conferencing. So video systems with resolutions are as high as having the 4K and can be seen and experienced at their full resolution. So first of all, to keep in mind before starting the video conferencing, we should have a proper high resolution webcam. Okay. Second is that fast computer processing. The processing of the computer should be fast. It should not hang at the time of the video conferencing or any of the important work. If you are having a computers and the lack of the sufficiently fast processor, your audio and video quality will be downgraded to make the best possible calls for your system's space. So for today's modern video conferencing, your computer should have minimum 2 GB of RAM and a quad core processor. तभी उसी के बेस पर ही आपका जो कंप्यूटर का प्रोसेस है वो चल पाएगा and it could hand over the video call and the proper call systems. Then sufficient network bandwidth. The network bandwidth required will depend on the resolution and frame rate you desire. 1 MB speed is sufficient for 15 fps at the 720p resolutions, while 30 fps at the 4K will require the closest to the M. So now this is here they have just given the resolution figure that is sufficient for the network width. So with this proper designed Wi-Fi network system or the connectivity system, wireless connections, whatever, the resolution is very important. इतना राउंड फिगर जो रेजोल्यूशन दिया है वो मस्ट है just to run your process, just to run your video conferencing accurately. So the more participants, because as soon as the more participants will join to the video call, what happened? The quality of the network or the quality of the video start getting losing its dignity. कहीं ना कहीं जब आप एक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पर 2-4 को मीटिंग करनी है तो दैट परसिस्टेंस योर रेजोल्यूशन इज़ फाइन. आपका प्रोसेसर जो है, आपका जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, दैट कनेक्टिविटी प्रोसेस जो बैंडविड्थ की है, दैट विल बी एक्यूरेट एंड फाइन, इट कैन कवर द नेटवर्क. लेकिन जैसे आपके अटैचमेंट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं, आपके पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो है कनेक्ट होते जाते हैं, वहाँ पे उसका रेजोल्यूशन कम होने लगता है एंड क्वालिटी विल गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. फिर धीरे धीरे वीडियो डिस्टर्बेंस, ऑडियो डिस्टर्बेंस एंड everything will get be damaged. So the proper connection फिर नहीं आता है. So it is very must to have the sufficient network bandwidth. कितना particular data होना चाहिए जिससे कि connectivity process में run हो और easy तरीके से चल सके. Then hardware requirements for the video conferencing. Now what are the hardwares? ऐसे कौन से hardwares होते हैं जो बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं video conferencing के टाइम पे? Now that you know that minimum network processing and video resolution requirement, it's a time to get all the equipments in place. Fine. The audio and video coverage of your hardware setups will depend primarily on the number of the people, locations and the room size of the meeting. So जो आपकी जो पूरी requirements हैं एक ऑडियो वीडियो कवरेज के लिए हार्डवेयर सेटअप्स की जो एक रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है, दैट इज़ टू डिपेंडेड ऑन द प्राइमरी ऑन द नंबर ऑफ पीपल, लोकेशंस एंड रूम साइज ऑफ द मीटिंग. कितना बड़ा रूम है उसके हिसाब से कितने लोग इस मीटिंग को अटेंड करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ पीपल, कौन सी लोकेशन पे है जहाँ पे कनेक्टिविटी की कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी. सो कीपिंग इन माइंड ऑल दीज थिंग, ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स, one has to keep in process for the hardware requirements for video conferencing. So here are the basic pieces of video conferencing requirements that we need for the meeting room. First is video conferencing system. The best quality video calls start with a great video conferencing camera system. जब तक प्रोसेस आपका कैमरा सिस्टम से रिलेटेड नहीं होगा, कैमरे की जो एक पिक्सल होती है, जो उसका एक रेजोल्यूशन होता है, दैट शुड बी विद द ग्रेट क्वालिटी. तो ग्रेट वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कैमरा सिस्टम होना चाहिए. Our professional line of audio and video conferencing equipment is engineered to deliver an amazing virtual meeting experience. From all hands space and boardrooms to small huddles rooms or cloud-based meeting rooms, Solution Spring Industries, leading video conferencing and wireless screen sharing to all your meeting spaces. तो इन सारी चीज़ों के बेनिफिशियल्स हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें प्रॉपर तरीके से अरेंज्ड मैनर में होती है, तभी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग सिस्टमैटिकली चलता है. देन वीडियो डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन्स. The size and the type of the display screen required will primarily depend on the size and number of the people the room is designed for. A single 4K television is enough for many small meeting rooms, while conferencing room and boardrooms are typically suited for the dual displays or projectors. So this has to be keep in mind कि अगर छोटी मोटी मीटिंग है तो वो एक सिंगल स्मॉल मीटिंग रूम में आराम से दैट विल बी एडजस्टेड. बट while for the conferencing room and the board rooms that are typically for the dual display and the projector. उसमें conference room और board room में dual display की ज़रूरत होती है. एक बड़ा सा display scene हो, plus either if you're not having the display scene then must have a proper projector, जहाँ पे एक बड़े मीटिंग को कवरेज करने के लिए सारी चीज़ें विजिबल हो सके. तो वीडियो डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर in the point of view if we are talking about the video conferencing. Then the third thing is microphone. A touch screen conference phone with a built-in microphone is used to navigate your director and how it's directly to control the camera pan, tilt, zoom options and bring essential audio conferencing functions to your fingertips. एक ऐसा कॉन्फ्रेंस फोन दैट शुड बी अ टच स्क्रीन एंड दैट बिल्ट इन माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन अब सारे एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स में अटैच्ड होते हैं एंड विद दैट पर्पस ओनली द मीटिंग यू अटेंड इन द जूम इट्स पॉसिबल फॉर एवरीवन, बिकॉज विदाउट माइक्रोफोन द जूम मीटिंग if you will attend, no voice will be heard and you cannot even speak there. So एक navigation, you have to directly control your phone according to it, that how you have to pan, you have to tilt, you have to zoom the image or zoom out the image. So options are being given according to it. And here the audio conferencing functions to your fingertips, that should be known by yourself. So conference phones purpose built for video with the features echo cancellations, automatic gain control and automatic noise reductions to give the meeting room participants crystal clear audio. For ultra large meeting rooms, microphones extensions can be added to extend the reach of the mic array. Best video conferencing apps. So the main that we talk about till now, that what are the main hardware requirements for the video conferencing is, एक आपका बेसिक कैमरा क्वालिटी जो होनी चाहिए वो वीडियो की बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, द रेजोल्यूशन शुड बी गुड इनफ. सेकेंड इज़ द डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन शुड बी वाइड इनफ अकॉर्डिंग टू द मीटिंग रूम्स. थर्ड इज़ द माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन आपके एडजस्टमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए जिसे आप कंट्रोल कर सको ईजीली. Then the best video conferencing apps are Zoom for reliable large video calls, Zoom meeting for Google Workspace, then go to the meeting for the professional features, Join Me for the lightweighted options, WebEx for the whiteboarding. So here, as we generally used to generate our classes, when I used to take your classes, I generally used to take your class either on the Zoom app or on the Google Meet. So the both apps we are using, and these apps are only invented for the meeting purpose, for the conference purpose of the video calls. Okay, so this was about it, how we are understanding the video conferencing. Now coming up to the next topic, that is the webcasting. A webcast is a live online broadcast of the audio or video feed from your meeting or event. वेबकास्ट क्या है? एक पर्टिकुलर वीडियो ऑडियो मीटिंग जो भी चल रही है वहाँ से आपका पूरा सीधा प्रसारण जा रहा है, पूरा लाइव टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है. सो इट इज़ ब्रॉडकास्टिंग लाइव. टर्म्स यूज एज द वेब इवेंट्स, वेब लेक्चर्स, virtual events, online seminars, or even the webinars are also often used. So some kinds of web events, web lectures, virtual events, online seminars, they are the live telecasted. A webcast is a web-based broadcast from your meeting or event via the internet. A webcast is nothing more than a conference or presentations that is conducted online. Participants can watch the presentations and set questions to the speakers or engage other delegates. The webcast एक based broadcast है from your meeting or the event to the which is connected via internet. And is nothing more the conference. It is a presentation that is conducted online. जो भी चीज़ें आप कंडक्ट कर रहे हो ऑनलाइन कर रहे हो, and it is visibly live. So participants can watch the presentation live and can send their feedback, can send their questions, engage related to the topic which the speakers are engaged with. So live video streamed to live stream is viewable on most iOS and Android mobile browsers. Open the browsers on your mobile device. You can either type a livestream.com/watch and use the search tool to find an event you're looking for, or types in the full URL of the event that you're looking for it in you. So this is the given scenario that how you can watch the live streamed while viewable which you are interested on the topic. To ensure a successful webcast, presenter needs the following steps. Now what are the steps that presenter should need? Proper setup, good location, great content, a strong internet connection, and a computer that meets the technical requirements. So presenters must pass each item in a system check to present. This is very important. हम जब कोई भी काम करना शुरुआत करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले अपनी सारी टेक्निकल प्रोसेस को चेक करते हैं, सो दैट कि उस टाइम जिस टाइम हमको प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है उसके चलते वक्त कोई भी कहीं कोई टेक्नोलॉजिकल कोई प्रॉब्लम ना क्रिएट हो. सो वी हैव टू इंश्योर for the successful webcast all these setups and all these steps to be followed. Then the main question is arose that is the webcast is the same as Zoom app? Is it similar to with that particular thing? So when hosting and webcast using the Zoom meeting, it is a pretty much the same process as hosting the other online meeting. So the most invites attendees to the presentations using the email invite available through Zoom, and can even add the participants after the meeting has started if necessary. So yes, here it is being said that the webcast is quite similar to the Zoom meeting as we are organizing in our daily meeting process. Then the third important factors is the podcasting. We did that what is the video conferencing, what is webcasting, And now the turn is of the podcasting. Podcasting is nothing but it is a very simple free service that allows internet users to pull the audio files, typically the MP3 files, MP4 files, which we use to listen. The audio, those files has to be pulled up, and how it will be using through the with the help of the internet. So all the internet users to pull the audio files is the podcast, and from the podcast websites to listen to their computers or the personal's digital audio players. So the term comes from the combinations of the word iPod, a personal digital audio player moved by Apple, and broadcasting. So from these two techniques, this word has arose the podcasting. Simply put, a podcast is another method to entertain, humor, and educate. They are all sound with no distractions coming from how people look or dress, like you might get from watching a TV show or film. Most podcasts come in the form of series, just like a television show, and then they are broken into the episodes. So you can also see that what are the podcasts that comes in the series of the serials, and just like the television shows, and then they are broken into the episodes, and you can easily watch even on your mobile apps also. So the definition of the podcast is a multimedia digital file distributed over the internet to be watched and listened to on a computer and iPod or the other devices. So a radio program distributed exclusively over the internet and listened to on the people iPods is a good example of the podcast. So I hope that all the three factors are very much clear to everyone. So if you're talking about the podcast apps, so what are the podcast apps? Is the Radio Public, Player FM, Pocket Cast, Castbox, Podbeans, and Stitchers, and many more. But they are the main basic examples of the apps which are generally being used as the podcast system. So this was all about all the three topics, that types of websites and video conferencing, webcasting, podcasting. I have covered all. So students, just go through all the topics very carefully. There is nothing much to discuss. It's a very simple. If you try to understand the concept, it is very simple. So just read it very carefully and attempt the questions according to it, which is being given according to you. And if you have any doubts, then do contact me. So thank you, class.